my name is Liesel and welcome back to VA Wonder. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to build your brand identity fast, and we're doing that by setting up your very own brand kit. This is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, creatives and virtual assistants like you. So let's get started. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. First things first, the brand kit is a Canva Pro feature. For today's example, I'm going to update the Pro account of the Ubuntu Civics Academy. To make things easier before you start, I suggest that you gather your logo, your brand colors, icons, images, and your fonts. So once you've logged in, go to the left-hand side of the menu and click on Brand. Now you can click on Brand Kit, but just before we do that, I want to show this Add New button to you. So we are going to update one brand kit today. If you have more brands, you can always add more brand kits so that you can swap between them. Okay, so this is where you would do that with this add new, but today we're going to focus on one brand kit. So let's click on brand kit. So let's start at the top. We will first add the logos. Make sure that you update a PNG logo on a see-through background for best results. And you can upload your primary logo, secondary, icon logos, as many as you need to. Okay, so let's click on there. Upload the primary logo, which is the full color logo. Then I'm going to add the logo all in black, an all white logo, the icon logo. As we've uploaded the logos, Canva went ahead and picked up some colors for us already, but I'm not going to use this today. I'm just going to do it all manually so that I make sure that I've got exactly the correct code. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to come here to the color palette and I'm going to click on Add New Color. Now our first color is easy, that's white. So let's put that code in. And black. And now I will add the rest of the colors quickly by typing in the hex codes here. And now our color palette is complete. There is a quick tip for you if you don't have the brand code colors, but you just have an image. Where your logo is in the brand kit, upload an image with all your colors that you like for your brand. So I've uploaded an image here. Canva will automatically pick up these colors. Then click on Keep. And then you can just go back to the color palette inspiration image and delete it. Now it is time to add the fonts. For Ubuntu Civics Academy, they use two fonts. Most of their text will be in Calibri, and then they also use a font called Ink Free, which is not on Canva, for a little bit of fun. So let's go and add that Ink Free font first. So we will click here on Add New on the right-hand side. Go to Upload a Font. Choose the file. Always make sure that you do have permission to use the font. So yes, upload anyway. And now the ink-free font has been uploaded. Now I can go to title. So usually our titles will be in Calibri. So go in there and choose Calibri. You can also change the font size if you want it bold, italic, and so forth. Then you can click on the next one. I will make the heading the ink-free font. And I will just quickly run through the rest. Let's do the body. Most of these has already been set up in correct font sizes, but you can always change it when you do your design. Let's just do the quote. We do that as Calibri as well, and usually the quotes will be italic, so just click italic on and then caption. Next up is brand voice. This is if you want Canva's AI Magic Write tool to help you write your content. For more information on that, you can just go to canva.com/help/brand-voice, and they will have further instructions there for you. You can also upload some of your brand photos here if you want to. You can add any graphics, icons. They do have an icon, so let's add that. Add new. So the little swirl icon is in. And if you had any charts. Now that you've filled in your brand kit, let's quickly change the name of this brand kit. So when you hover over the word brand kit, you can quickly go and edit it. So let's do that. So this is the shortcut, the Yuka brand kit. And now we can see the Yuka brand kit. And remember, if you want to add another one, you can just go here to add new. Let me show you how to apply this brand kit. We will go to create. Let's do an Instagram post, the 4x5. Let's search one of Canva's templates, design. I like this little quote format. Now let's go to brand. And the first thing that we can do is apply the brand colors. So that's so easy. You just go over here to colors and click on shuffle. And every time when you do that, Canva will apply your brand colors to the design. So just keep on shuffling until you find a color combination that you like. Now we want to update the font. We can simply click on the text and then go and update the font. Or I can delete that, go back to brand, and then click on over a title, which is already in our correct font, Calibri in this case. And I also want to do a second word, or actually the first word of the quote, which is in our ink free. So that's set up already. So I will just click it over and update it. And if you look up here with our logos, we can maybe add our little black logo to the bottom of this image. So everything is handy on the left-hand side of the screen for you. If you've updated any other photos or icons or graphic, you can also use them. Now, when I click onto this word and maybe I want to change the color and I go up here to text color, you will see that your brand kit now also appears here in the color boxes. So then you can just go and apply your colors directly from here. Have fun setting up your brand and let me know in the comments what part of this brand kit do you like the most. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Great, you are still here. Are you ready to learn something new? What about this video about how to make mock-up images look more realistic?